How to cancel hotel booking in booking.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily cancel your hotel booking in booking.com. Now the process is simple and easy. You want to simply open up your booking.com application and make sure you're logged into your account that you made the booking from. Now at the bottom of your screen you can see search option, saved option, trips option and profile option. In order to view your booking first, you want to simply tap on the trips option at the bottom of your screen. Once you do so, here you can see if you have any active bookings or trips. Here you'll be able to see, and cancelled option also you can see there. Now here you want to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen beside the question mark icon. You want to simply tap on it and it'll ask you to enter your booking details. You want to simply enter in your booking number and your pin code and simply tap on manage booking option. Now once you open up your booking, there you'll find the edit option. You want to tap on edit and you want to simply tap on cancel option. Once you tap on cancel, your booking will be cancelled and you'll be good to go. So this way you can cancel your hotel booking in booking.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.